We are on the last page, page 108. A ramp for a moving truck is placed at a 20-degree angle. If it reaches to a height of 3 feet, how long is the ramp? So we want to know hypotenuse. We know opposite, and we know theta. The sine of theta is equivalent to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So I'm going to multiply both sides by r. And then I will have to divide out the sine of 20. I wouldn't expect anything huge here because we're talking about a ramp. We're also talking about 3 feet tall off the ground, so it's not going to be anything huge. The ramp is about 8.77 feet, and that is definitely logical. Using cosecant, we have 1 over the sine of 20 equals hypotenuse over opposite. So we're left with r times the sine of 20 equals 3. Divide out the sine of 20. No surprise. That r is approximately 8.77 feet. A bridge is suspended by cables at a 45-degree angle from the towers. If the cables are 200 feet long, how high are the towers? So we know hypotenuse. We want to know the tower height, and we know theta. Sine of 45 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So I'll multiply both sides by 200. So T is going to be approximately 200 times the sine of 45, and that's 141.42 feet. And then 1 over the sine of 45 is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. And that will set up the same math for me. 200 times the sine of 45 equals T. So T is, again, 141.42 feet approximately. And last but not least, a person looks up at a tree at 30 degrees angle of elevation. If the person is 60 feet from the base, oh boy, how tall is the tree? So again, let me put these in here for you. There's opposite. Here's hypotenuse. They slipped another ringer on us. We're supposed to be working with sine, but this is not going to be sine. This is going to be, we don't care about hypotenuse. We know that opposite is the height of the tree. Adjacent is 60. This is 30 for theta, so we're looking for TOA. the tangent of 30 is opposite over adjacent. So tangent is going to be approximately 60 times, I say that every time. The tree is going to be approximately 60 times the tangent of 30. So the tree is about 34.64 feet tall. And we're not going to do cosecant because cosecant doesn't go with tangent. We would have to do cotangent to get the reciprocal of tangent. So that is the last problem in this very long book. If you have any questions, make sure to talk to your instructor. He or she can help you with any questions you have. I wish you the very best of luck in your class. Have a good day.